Okay, so today we're going to make a monthly budget using Google Sheets. So when you open your Google Sheets application, you're going to see these templates right here. You're just going to click the monthly budget one. And as you can see, there's already prefixed numbers in here. So we're going to start with a clean slate. You're going to come right here and make your starting balance $0. And then you're gonna scroll down, and for right here you're gonna make this $0 as well. You're gonna make this side on the income, you're gonna make this $0 as well. And you're gonna come down here to the transactions tab, and you're just gonna delete this whole thing. So then when you come back to the summary tab, everything should have zeros on it. Everything should just be clear. So these are going to be your expenses, and these are going to be like things you spend it on. So like food, I usually just buy groceries. So you can customize it however you want. I'm going to name this groceries. Sorry. And then I don't give gifts. So I can change this as rent, health, medical. Just change that to insurance, home. I'm gonna put that as household supplies. Transportation, I'm gonna keep that. Personal, let's say clothes and accessories. Pets, I don't have a pet, but I think I want to change that to cell phone. Here's utilities, I'm gonna keep that one. Travel, I'm gonna delete that. Debt, delete that. Other, delete that. I have no use for them. So, say I actually plan to spend $100 on groceries every month. And rent, I don't pay rent. Insurance, I don't pay insurance. For my household supplies, I usually do $50. For transportation, I usually spend like $60 a week. And there's 4 weeks in a month, so that'll be $240 total. Clothes and accessories, I'd probably spend maybe $70. Cell phone, $60. And I don't pay any utilities. So for my paycheck, I'm actually getting a check every month. I'm in school. So I think it's gonna be around $1,200, $1,250. So I'm going to change this to $1,250. That's how much I plan. And then you can actually do this however you want. And then this is how much you'll actually have. So like if you have any savings, you'll put it as how many savings you have there. And if you plan to put anything in your savings, you put it in this tab. And if you have any bonus money coming in, interest, or anything other, and here's your custom category. So then, throughout the month, however much you really spend, you'll just, in total, will be right here. So you're going to come back to the transactions tab, and this is where everything starts calculating. Like, say if I go to the store and I buy something, I will open this Google Sheets and the transactions tab, and I will put the transaction right here. So today is the 29th. So I just put that and say I spent $30. Let's say I spent it on shoes. You'll put the category under clothing and accessories. These are the categories you had listed before. And then it should automatically update in the summary tab. See? Clothing and accessories, I plan to spend $70 and I already spent $30. And if you have any money coming in, you can do it right here. You can do 9/21. Say my parents gave me $100. I'll put it right there. Put from parents. And I'll put the category under other. Then, once you come back to summary tab, it'll already be here, and it shows that you have plus $100 in